Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be taking a look at number 7 on LeetCode, reverse and integer, and taking care of negative numbers and handling overflow and underflow conditions. We're going to be doing today's solution in Python. Our approach uses simple arithmetic operations and conditional checks to efficiently reverse the integer. Now before we get right into the code, if you guys want to see more videos like this, drop a like down below. It helps us out tremendously with the YouTube algorithm. With that out of the way, let's hop right into it. Alright, so in this solution, we're given a class with a method called reverse, which efficiently reverses the input integer x while ensuring proper handling of negative numbers and avoiding overflow and underflow. We start by declaring two variables, temp, tmp, and sign, and set temp to 0. The sign variable will be used to track whether the input x is positive or negative. We check if x is negative or x is less than 0. If x is negative, we update the sign variable to false, indicating that the reversed integer will also be negative. To handle negative numbers, we make x positive by multiplying it by -1. Now we enter the while loop, which will continue until x becomes 0. Inside the loop, we reverse the integer x using a series of arithmetic operations. The line temp equals temp times 10 plus x of the modulo 10 takes the last digit of x, this right here. It takes the last digit of x using the modulo operator and adds it to the reverse integer temp, which has been shifted left by 1 digit. We then update x by removing its last digit using integer division right here. After the loop, we've successfully reversed the positive integer x stored in the temp. If x was originally negative, we restore the sign by multiplying temp by -1. Finally, we perform a check to prevent overflow and underflow. If temp right here is greater than 2 times or to the power of 31 minus 1, which is the maximum value of a 32-bit signed integer, or less than -2 to the power of 31, which is the minimum value of a 32-bit signed integer, we return 0 to avoid any potential overflow or underflow issues. Otherwise, we return the reversed integer temp, which is our answer. Alright, so now let's go ahead and run this. Alright, so that's going to be it for this video. If you guys enjoyed or found it helpful, drop a like down below, drop a comment if you have any questions, subscribe for more, and we'll catch you in the next one.